Okay, so I'm gonna do number 15 right here as an example, where it says find the area and the perimeter. And it's not as hard as I thought they were going to make it. It looks like when they're asking for the perimeter, it's just for a square or a rectangle. So let me plot number 15 here. The first point is 3, 0. So 3, and then the y coordinate is 0. So I don't go up at all. The next one is 3, 9. So again, I start at 3 right here, and then I'm going to go up 9. So it's going to be right here. And the next point is 8, 9. So I'll go all the way over to 8 and then go up 9. So it looks like it would be right about here. And the next point, the last point of this rectangle, is 8, 0. So I'll go x coordinate first, all the way over to 8, and I don't go up any, and so it would be right here. And now I'm just going to simply connect the points. And again, I'd ask you guys to do these with a straight edge so it looks nice and neat, not hand-drawn and sloppy. All right, you should be able to figure out the area of something like this pretty easily. Area of a rectangle, area equals simply length times width. Now the perimeter, a couple different ways to look at the perimeter. You're just adding the side plus side plus side. Of course, it depends how many sides it has. But let's count this side right here. And let me write down the coordinates here. So this is 3. Oh, it looks like I marked them, 3, 9. So this is 3, 9. And this is 8, 9. A couple different ways you can do this. One is just simply count how many spaces from this dot here to this one here. And it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that side would be 5 units. 5 units. All right. Another way to look at it, if you notice, let me highlight this in yellow. The x coordinate is always first. So I'm looking at the 3. And the x coordinate at this point is the 8. If you subtract 3 from 8, what do you get? 5. That's another way to look at it. It would just simply be, as I said, it would be 8, and we're subtracting 3, which equals 5. So figuring out the perimeter is pretty simple. I think all the shapes are either rectangles or squares, so you guys should be able to do that. I thought they had some triangles and some different shapes in there where the lines would cross over and not be along just the x-axis or the y-axis, but it doesn't look like it's that way.
On number
Okay.
On the number 1, it kind of looks like a little triangle.
Is it asking you for the perimeter in number 1? No, it's not, so you don't need to concern yourself with that. Okay, any questions about this, you guys? Yeah, Mr. Rainbow?
On number 4, what do we do with the house?
I'll show you right now.
Yeah, she'll show you here. Thank you, Miss Ryan. And let me go a little bit further here. Let's see here. So I'd like you to do number 16 also, and that's just you're describing and telling me what their error was. And I'd like you to do, it says draw a polygon with the given conditions in a coordinate plane. Ooh, a square with a perimeter of 20 units. That would be a good one. A rectangle with an area of 24 units. Yeah, I'll hand out more. It's not a problem.
About 26.
You could do 24. And 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. Okay. So what have we got here? Let me write these down. I could write them down for the second video. So I have 1 through 4. And that's on page 177, is that right? Yeah. Let me write that down here.
That was on 176.
Yeah, it's 176.
Okay, so page 176, numbers 1 through 4. And then we've got 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10, 12,
14.
14, 16,
18.
18,
20.
20,
24.
24,
27, 28, 29, 30,
24, and then what was it, 27,
27 through 31.
31. Okay. And this is, what is this, 4.4?
Yeah.
4.4.
We'll call this part,
1, 2, 2.
actually, I think this would be the third video for it, because didn't I do one yesterday?
Yeah.
For 4.4? Yeah, I did. So this is part 3, actually. Okay. All right. That's what I want you guys to do. Let me see here.
We have to finish that all before.
No, of course not. But I expect at least 1 through 4 and number 6 done here.
Okay. Because I'm on 8 right now.
Good.
I'm on number 14.